Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I'm sharing a quick power hour cleaning video. I recently returned from a little vacation. When I came back, there was a layer of dust everywhere, and I'm not sure if it's from being away and having fresh eyes or whether it's just the sunny weather is illuminating all the dust. Anyhow, I wanted to share that with you. Let me know in the comments if when you return from vacation, you notice all the dirty spots in your house as well. I only had about an hour to clean today and I wanted to see how much I could do in that hour. I find that if I set a timer, I tend to play a little mental game with myself where I see how much I can do. Sometimes we need these little mind tricks to help us stay motivated. I started cleaning in the living room because this is where I first noticed how dusty it was. We have a pretty small house. It's just under 1,000 square feet and we spend a lot of time in our living room and dining room. So in general, I like to keep it neat and tidy and dust frequently. However, I feel like I've been falling behind lately on my regular cleaning routines. It could just be that I'm more likely to spend time outside when the weather is nice and don't want to be inside cleaning. If you're new to my channel, I post videos weekly about cleaning, cooking, and homemaking. I'm hoping to start posting more often. We'll see how that goes. I have a video coming up about a room makeover, so if you enjoy that sort of thing, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. We've had our couch for about 15 years. It's not my favorite piece of furniture anymore, but it's still serving us well, and I don't want to get rid of a perfectly functional piece of furniture. It does look a lot better after a little pillow fluffing. The irises in our yard have just started blooming and they're really short-lived, so I wanted to bring one in to kind of perk up the space. I think cut flowers and plants can really cheer things up when it's feeling kind of stale in your house. I think spring and all the new flowers and new leaves outside makes me yearn for things to be refreshed and new inside as well. So I brought out a tablecloth and some placemats and tried to dress up our table a tiny bit. Sometimes little changes can make us feel better, like our space is refreshed without a ton of effort. Let me know in the comments if you make any little changes in your house to welcome spring. Our dresser is a magnet for mail and all sorts of things. It's another hot spot in our house for sure. It also collects a ton of dust, and with all the pollen in the air and my husband suffering from seasonal allergies, I wanted to give our bedroom a little dusting as well. I'm not sure about you, but our bathroom gets kind of disgusting quickly. I may just be particular about bathrooms, but after a few days of not being cleaned, it really grosses me out. I spent the last 15 minutes of my power hour cleaning and dusting in here. At the end of the video, you'll see my cat jumped into my freshly cleaned sink. Thank you so much for being here today. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.